The early and modern history of Asia has much of its roots in a land that is home to the Sindhi people. The land of Sindh, now a formal province of Pakistan, is home to what Western academia calls the Indus Valley Civilization, better known to Sindhi people as the Sindhu Valley Civilization. People of Sindhi heritage can be found in almost every country of the world, despite their small numbers. Hong Kong, Dubai, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, West Africa, Spain, the Caribbean islands, Curacao, St. Martin, St. Thomas, and the other Virgin Islands. Sindh was an integral part of the diverse, yet strongly integrated India. However, in 1947, the creation of two new states, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and India, led to the largest mass migration of people in history. Hindus from the provinces of Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Sarhad, or known as Northwestern Frontier Province, migrated to the newly fragmented Indian side, and some Muslims from the rest of what was formerly India migrated to the newly formed Pakistan. Their role as more industrious traders and merchants established connections which they cling to for survival and development. This documentary aims to illuminate the cultural past and current generational challenges to maintaining our heritage.